In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your search history on Microsoft Edge. We'll go through each step carefully so you can efficiently manage your browsing data and maintain your online privacy. Whether you want to clear just recent searches or your entire history, this guide has you covered. First, open Microsoft Edge on your device. If you're on a Windows computer, you can find Edge on your desktop or by searching for it in the Start menu. Next, access the Settings menu. Look to the top right corner of your browser for the Settings and More button, represented by 3 vertical dots. Click it, and from the drop-down menu, select Settings. On the Settings page, navigate to the left-hand menu and click Privacy, Search, and Services. This section controls how your data is collected and managed in Edge. Scroll down to the Clear Browsing Data heading. Click the Choose What to Clear button to see all available options for deletion. Now, select the time range for the data you want to clear. Options include last hour, last 24 hours, or all time, depending on whether you want a minor cleanup or a complete purge. Next, check the boxes for the data types you want to delete, such as browsing history, cookies, cached files, and more. Finally, click Clear Now. Edge will process your request, erasing your selected browsing data. This not only helps protect your privacy, but can also improve browser performance. And that's it. By following these steps, you can keep your online activity private and your browser running smoothly. Thank you for watching. Feel free to revisit this tutorial anytime you need a quick refresher.